Dear students, in this video I will explaining you about procedure to draw the fixture in league tournament by cyclic method. This is the method of presenting fixture in league tournament in which one team fixed on the top at the right hand side and rest of the teams moved in cyclic way from downward to upward in clockwise direction. In cyclic method, if the number of teams is even, the team number 1 is fixed on the top of right hand side and other teams in ascending order moves downward then upward on the left side and rotate them clockwise. If the number of teams is odd, then by is fixed on the top right side and the rest procedure remains same. The number of rounds in case of even number of teams will be n-1, where n represent the total number of teams. The number of rounds in case of odd number of teams will be n, where n represent the total number of teams. In next slide, here is an example of even number of teams. There are 6 teams are participating in the league tournament. Here we learn how to make the league fixture of 6 teams by cyclic method. First we write the total number of teams. Here the total number of teams n is 6. In next step we calculate the total number of matches. The total number of matches is calculated by n-1 by 2. Here n represent the total number of teams. 6 minus 1 by 2. 6 into 5 by 2. 30 by 2. Hence the 15 matches will be in the tournament. After that, we calculate the total number of rounds. The total number of rounds is calculated by n-1. 6 minus 1. Hence, 5 rounds become in the tournament. After that, we draw the fixture of 6 teams by cyclic method. In first round, we keep the team number 1 on the top at right hand side. After that we list the teams in ascending order and move the teams downward then upward in clockwise direction. In second round, the team number 1 fixed on the top at right hand side and rest of the team move in clockwise direction from downward to upward. In second round, the team number 6 move down and take the position of team number 2 and rest of the team move in clockwise direction. In round 3, the team 1 still remain at same place and team 5 moves down and rest of the teams move in clockwise direction from downward to upward. In fourth round, the team number 1 still remain at same position and the 4 move down and rest of the team move in clockwise direction from downward to upward. In round 5, the team 1 still remain at same position Team 3 moves down and rest of the team move in cyclic way in clockwise direction from downward to upward. This is the presentation of league fixture of 6 teams by cyclic method. In this tournament, there are 3 matches in each round. In first round, the match between 6 and 1, the match between 5 and 2, 4 and 3. In second round, the match between 5 and 1, 4 and 6, 3 and 2. In third round, the match between 4 and 1, 3 and 5, 2 and 6. In fourth round, the match between 3 and 1, 2 and 4, 6 and 5. In fifth round, the match between 2 and 1, 6 and 3, 5 and 4. In this way, we can represent the league fixture of event team by cyclic method. In next slide, we will learn the procedure of making fixture in league tournament of odd team by cyclic method. Here in this slide, 5 teams are participating in league tournament. With the help of this slide, how to make the league fixture in case of the teams are in odd number. Here the total number of teams are 5. So the total number of matches is calculated by n minus 1 by 2, 5, 5 minus 1 by 2, 4 into 2 by 2, 20 by 2. So the 10 matches will be in the tournament. In next step, we calculate the total number of rounds. Here the total number of rounds is equal to the total number of teams, because here the total number of teams in odd position. So the total number of rounds will be 5. After that, we draw the league fixture of 5 teams by cyclic method. In cyclic method, if the teams are in odd position, we fix the bye on the top at right hand side in each round. In first round, we fix the bye on the top at the right hand side. After that, we list the total number of teams in ascending order and move the team in cyclic way in clockwise direction from downward to upward. In second round, we fix the bye on the top at the right hand side. Team 5 moves down and rest of the team moves in cyclic way in clockwise direction from downward to upward. In third round, the bye still remain at same position and 4 moves down and rest of the team moves in cyclic way in clockwise direction from downward to upward. In fourth round, the bye fix on the top at right hand side. 3 moves down and rest of the team moves in clockwise direction from downward to upward. In fifth round, the bye still remain in same position. 2 moves down and rest of the team moves in cyclic way from downward to upward. This is the league fixture presentation of 5 teams by cyclic method. In this tournament, there are 2 matches in each round. In first round, the match between 4 and 1, 3 and 2. In second round, the match between 3 and 5, 2 and 1. In third round, the match between 4 and 2, 1 and 5. In fourth round, the match between 1 and 3, 5 and 4. In fifth round, the match between 5 and 2, 4 and 3. There are 2 matches in each round. So the total number of matches are 10.